how to hide your Instagram highlights from someone. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram highlights from specific people. It is super easy and only takes a few seconds. So let's get started. Instagram lets you hide your stories and highlights from anyone you choose without them ever knowing. This means you can post highlights and keep them private from certain followers. To do that, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Now, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines. Now, once you've done that, scroll down a little bit and you'll find an option called Story Setting. If you cannot find it, you can also search for it here. As you can see here, who can see your content, and here is hide story and live. Simply tap on it, and here all you need to do is simply choose specific person that you want to hide it from. For, let's say this is the person that I want to hide. Tap on done. Now this person won't be able to see my highlights, and that's it. That's how you can simply hide someone your specific story, and you've successfully hidden your Instagram highlights from specific people. Easy, fast, and private.